What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining. Welcome to another unboxing episode of Diecast Replicas. So this is the very first unboxing that we are doing on YouTube for this particular edition that Inno 64 has released as part of their release for the Australian Diecast Expo, which basically concluded a couple of weeks ago in Melbourne. So this particular car is the Nissan R34 GT-R in purple, and the real car is basically owned by a person in Sydney, Australia. So Inno has done a wonderful job replicating every detail to bring into this miniature die-cast model. So since this is one of the releases during the expo itself, I mean the box has been signed by the owner of the car, as well as the art designer, the designer who basically designed this particular packaging, and also the Southern Diecast as well. So there you go, you can see all the three signatures there. And on the underneath, these are some of the usual manufacturer jargon that Inno 64 has on their models, and this is what the packaging looks like with the signatures on. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So since this model that I have in my hand is released during the expo, you can see that the car comes numbered. They have only released 200 of these cars initially, and the car that I've got is number 63. All right, so this is how the car looks, guys. It's a nice clean looking model. So Inno 64 has done a great job when it comes to replicating the real car itself. So this particular car is basically in Sydney, Australia, and the owner basically has a detailing business, and hence why you see the name of his detailing business, the Endgame Collection, on the side decals of this car. So I don't know why it's not properly focusing, but yeah, you can see the Endgame Collection on the side decals of this particular car, which is basically replicating what the real car has. And the other thing that I've got to know is that this particular car, the real car itself, came in an original color of silver, but the owner basically wrapped the car with this nice looking metallic purple wrap. So that is what you see on the car's paint. So this is not actually a paint in the real car, it's basically a wrap that the owner has done to basically get this nice looking color shifting look to the car. Okay, so let's do a quick run around. So you can see that nice the purple color shines throughout. So that's the rear side of the car, nothing fancy. The top and the front with the nice lights, nice detail lights. And on the side you have the Endgame Collection decals, which basically represents the owner's business. And I was told that the real car basically shifts the colors between gold, green, and another color that I don't remember. So I don't know if Inno has replicated the same level of detail on the die-cast model as well. I haven't still checked that, but the color itself on the die-cast model looks clean. It's really nice. So everyone, I think that's it for the today's unboxing. If you have liked this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So until next time, cheers.